Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ, and today I'm going to show you how you can access the Aduio Playback Troubleshooter in Windows 10. So the first thing you need to do is you need to click on Start, and then you need to come to Settings. So if we click on Settings, and then we find the Update and Security option, so if we click on that, and then on the left hand side if we find the Troubleshoot option, and we click on that, and then in the Troubleshoot window we then want to come down to the bottom, and we need to find where it says Additional Troubleshooters, and then we need to click on Additional Troubleshooters, and that will give us a list of additional troubleshooters. Now to troubleshoot our audio playback, we're just going to click on the Playing Audio Troubleshooter, and we will click Run the Troubleshooter. Now I don't have a problem with my audio playback at the minute, but I will just select my current playback device, and I will say I don't want to disable audio enhancements, as again it is working fine for me, and as you can see the troubleshooter couldn't identify any problems as there aren't any problems at the minute, but hopefully if you were having any problems it would be able to identify them and give you some information that you could use to help fix your problem. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you like the video, don't forget the like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.